Okay, let's talk about a switch I wouldn't really use. Clickies. In the second package that Chosfox sent over to me, it's their Chosfox and Kailh Arctic Fox Clicky switches. Supposedly, these are more popular in China than the rest of the world, so let's take a quick look. These are a factory lubed, PC top, PC bottom, palm stem, 20mm 53-gram clicky switch produced by Kailh. They also feature this clear acrylic thing to help with RGB if that catches your fancy. I've never really used Clickies all that often, except for like building someone's box whites, but from what I remember, they're annoying as fuck. I don't like using Clickies since they hurt my ear given how sharp some of them are, but here's hoping that these are better. Feel-wise, they're pretty smooth from what I can tell on the linear portion of the switch, and sound-wise, they're bearable. Even in my phone at Vega, it's pretty sharp, at least to me. I don't think I'm the right target audience for these switches since I don't really have much to say, nor am I too familiar with Clickies. But if you're someone who wants a decent factory lubed, sharp clicky switch, I would say give these a look. I'll play a sound test shortly, and you can let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks, and have a good one. Bye.